In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome. If you prefer Google's ecosystem or just want a different browsing experience, you don't actually need to fully switch browsers right away. You can start by changing the default search engine inside Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's open, click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. After that, scroll down until you find Address Bar and Search under the Search section and click on it. Now look for the option called Search Engine Used in the Address Bar. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select Google from the list. Once you select GUI, your searches from the address bar will use Google instead of Bing. And that's it! You've successfully changed your search experience in Microsoft Edge to Google. If you later decide to fully switch to Google Chrome, you can install it and set it as your default browser using Windows settings. Thanks for watching and enjoy browsing with your preferred search engine.